Afternoon, everyone.
Good
So,
afternoon,
Shubhani
everyone.
ma'am is there. She'll take the lecture today.
Today I'm taking your session. Okay, and today we will discuss the some more complex smart contract. Okay, so firstly I'll tell you that we made a smart contract which based on lottery system. Okay, all you know what is lottery system and which type of uh, function used in lottery system, or we can say that कि उसमें क्या लॉजिक यूज होता है लॉटरी सिस्टम में. ऑल यू नो, एनीवन कैन एक्सप्लेन कि हम लॉटरी सिस्टम कैसे वर्क करता है. So no one wants to explain this. So basically, firstly, we'll design planning and designing of lottery system. Okay, then discuss the state variables and constructor. Okay, then how to enter the lottery in a particular system, and then validation process, and then how to select the winner from that particular lottery system. Okay, so firstly, we'll discuss the planning and design. So, when we made a smart contract, so firstly, it is compulsory or it is necessary that we'll discuss in your mind that how we plan and design a smart contract. Okay, this is necessary. So, with the help of planning and designing, we define state variables and constructor. After that, we will define functions that we are using in the smart contract. Okay, so how we plan and design a particular smart contract. So, in lottery system में क्या होता है? Number of particulars लॉटरी डालते हैं और उसमें से एक रैंडम जो है विनर होता है जिससे वो अमाउंट मिल जाती है एंड में, जो एक विनर होता है यही होता है. तो बेसिकली इसमें क्या होगा, द लॉटरी सिस्टम स्टार्ट्स accepting transaction. Okay, anyone having ethereum wallet means anyone having some ethers who can send a minimum amount of ethers to that particular lottery function can send a lottery. Okay. The second point, we can say that the players send ether directly to that contract address where is deploying that particular smart contract, and after that their address or something, that user is registered on that smart contract. Okay, the user can send more transaction also. We does not impose the maximum amount allowed to be sent. We just restrict that this should the amount that the user or ethereum wallet can send is the greater or equal to the minimum amount of that we have set in our smart contract. Okay, or in this smart contract there will be one manager who manages all the lotteries. Okay, and that account also deploys that smart contract. Yeah, at some point we can also say that randomly chosen this lottery, in this lottery system we randomly chosen the winner. Okay, but this winner is chosen only by the manager, or we can say that only by that only by that address or contact address who deploys that smart contract. Okay, and the contract balance in which lottery amount has been submitted or have been placed can allowed to see by only the manager, and randomly he selects the winner. And then the entire balance is transferred to the particular address who is the winner in this lottery system.
Shubhani ma'am, is there
Clear?
anything that is to be shared on screen?
Everybody clears the basic planning and designing of this smart contract. सो बेसिकली इसमें क्या होगा, एक मैनेजर होगा जो मैनेज करेगा पूरे लॉटरी सिस्टम को, उसको ही वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बैलेंस दिखेगा कि कितना बैलेंस हो गया है, ओके, एंड वही वो बैलेंस ट्रांसफर करेगा आफ्टर द सिलेक्टिंग ऑफ रैंडम सिलेक्शन ऑफ द विनर, क्लियर, एंड वो मैनेजर वो होगा जो डिप्लॉय करेगा उस स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So So firstly, we define the state variables. How many state, everybody sees the remix screen?
Yes.
Am audible to all or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
अब स्क्रीन शेयर्ड है. फर्स्टली तो मैंने सिर्फ बोला ही था, कुछ स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं की थी. Everybody sees the remix platform screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm audible to all or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shubhani ma'am, you are audible.
Please, someone can respond this. Am audible? Okay. So we'll start the smart contract. So firstly, we define the state variables. So here we have two types of state variable. The first one is where we store the number of users or number of players that plays a lottery. Okay. The second one is manager who deploy the smart contract, who manages the whole lottery system smart contract. Clear? The first one is address, public, the manager who manages the whole smart contract. Clear? The second one is public. We can say that players that places a lottery. So the players that place a lottery is not one. So there are number of players. So there are finite number of players. So here to define the state variable of players, we use array. Okay, we use dynamic size array because we don't know how many players who places a lottery. Clear? Everybody clears this two state variables. The one is manager and the second one is players. Clear? Now
ma'am.
we describe the constructor, the main part of your smart contract. Here we describe the public specifier, visibility specifier. Here we just only define that ki manager is equal to message dot sender. That means who deploy this smart contract is the person who manages this smart contract and who is the manager present in this smart contract. Clear? When we deploy this smart contract, so we can see that which address deploys the smart contract is starting from 5B3. When we deploy this smart contract, so we can see that when you click on the manager, so here is nothing because we don't use any get function who get this value, who get the manager value. Just store it in on manager. So here we use get function, public view returns the address, so return manager. Here, so again we deploy the smart contract on same address. So when we click on this is the new deployed smart contract. Okay, when we click on this manager, nothing can be stored on this, but when we call the get function, why it is not calling, why the address is not stored.
Ma'am, you have used comparison operator in
So
constructor
here
function.
is assignment operator, here is equal to operator. Again we deploy the same smart contract. So when we call this get function, and this is the same. Clear? So here is no need of this. Clear? The simple thing is clear that these are two state variables and this is the constructor of this particular smart contract, or we renamed as lottery. Here now we define the functions. So here we are defining three types of function. The first function is payable function. In this particular payable function, player places a lottery. Okay, and the second function is get balance function. In get balance function, we find the balance of that lotteries who places by the players. Okay, the third one is selection of winner function, where we define how to select the winner and the total balance is transferred from contract address to that particular address who is the winner from this smart contract. Clear? So here the first function is payable function. The name is send lottery. Clear? So public specifier and payable keyword use. Clear? So we all know that if we use the dynamic size array, we have discussed the members of dynamic size array. There are two members. The first one is push and the second one is length. The push member, what do the push member of the dynamic size array? It just pushes the value into dynamic size array from the starting address of that particular array, index size 0 to random, जहां तक भी वो जाएगा. Clear? So here we use push member. How we use players? Players is a state variable of that particular dynamic size array dot push message dot center. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we just run this smart contracts till now. Deploy. Okay. On this. Here we have a function of send lottery, which is in red in color because it is a payable function. And the second one is manager, third is players. So, okay, the first we click on manager button. So this is the manager who manages this smart contract. And now we selected some other address that starts from small d and capital D8. If we click and value, we send 10 ethers. Now we send a lottery. Now this transaction has mined and execution succeed. Clear? If you, because, so one more addition of, this is 12 here and send lottery. So you can see that this also this transaction has also mined successfully. If you see that 0, it's the players who are placing at 0 index, the address is that. The player who is placing at 1 index is this. So we can check it from here. The first one is small d capital D and second is this. Okay, it randomly adds into player state variable from starting from 0 index to sequentially addition. Clear? This function works to send a lottery. So the next function is, so here in this function we just add some more restriction, because if we send a lottery, so we just define some value that players who send this much amount of ether can send a lottery. Okay, so here we just write a if loop that we can say it like that: message dot value is greater than 1 ether. Okay, then only that player is added or is pushed into that state variable players. Clear? Okay. So this send lottery function clears to all?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next function is get balance function. Any doubt? Okay. The next function is get balance function. Get balance function returns the value that are aggregated from the lottery function. Okay, suppose the first account, the first player sends the 10 ethers, and the second player sends the 20 ethers, and the third player sends the 40 ethers. So total amount is 40, 10, 20. That is 70. So get balance retrieves that amount and send it to the winner. Clear? So the main function of get function retrieves that balance from that is collected from all the lotteries and send to that particular winner. Send this amount to that particular winner. Okay. So public view returns in which amount? Of this uint amount. Here. So here we just return. Here we use predefined function. Predefined function is address this dot balance. Okay. So what this function does? So here is one more requirement, that is require the message dot sender is equal to manager, because all the balance manager has retrieved that all balance. So here what we is the error here, require message dot sender is equal to clear. So here इसमें क्या है, player 1, player 2, player 3, okay, have sent some ether amount to the contract balance. All this balance, all these ethers are sending to the contract address. Contract address means who manages this smart contract. That means manager. So if we want to review or view that particular that balance, okay, so we make sure that who use this function is the manager. Okay, so deploy this contract again. Just refresh this page. हमने किसमें लिखा था, किसी को कुछ याद है? किसी को नेम याद है हमने किसमें? Okay, deploy this smart contract. This address who deploy this smart contract. Okay, deploy successfully, and these are the functions and state variables that we have defined in this smart contract. The first we check the manager. Okay, now we place a lottery from this address. So this places the 10 way is 10 ether. Okay, so send lottery. So this is transaction is successfully mined. The second account is 20, suppose 20 ethers, so send. Okay, and the third one is, suppose we send this much amount of way, that means it is smaller than 1 ether. So when we click on send lottery, so here when we just to address. So you can see that when we write it here, the value less than 1 ether, the transaction is, you can see that the transaction is mined and execution succeed. But now we had 3 players now. The third one sends an amount that is less than 1 ether. So we have 0, 1 and 2 index values in players. But when we write it here 2 and click on players, we can see that the call lottery system is error because that particular player is not added in our state variable players. Clear? So when this player enters or send a value more than 1 ether, then only added into your player's smart contract. Send lottery, and when we now click on this, then we can find that the third player is this. Clear? And now we run the get balance function. So here some error. Okay. Here is some error. Why this error comes? Because this function is deployed or run by other account who is not a manager. So our requirement is message.sender is equal to manager. So first go to that particular account, manager account, then click on get balance, then we can find the total balance. Clear? So now we define more function. So now we define how to select a winner. So we select a winner in a random way. So firstly we discuss the randomness, how we provide randomness to select a particular winner from those players. Everybody sees the notepad screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we use modulo function. Okay, modulo operator. Modulo operator means क्या होता है? When we 10 modulo 3, what it means? What it means? It returns the remainder. That means 1. Clear? Or when we return 11 divided modulo floor. Oh, sorry. 4. What it returns? What it returns?
3.
3. So in modulo function, we can see that the remainder is always less than this. We all know that. है ना? इसीलिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? हम एक रैंडम नंबर जनरेट करेंगे. सपोज वो रैंडम नंबर कुछ भी हो. A long int random number generate करेंगे with the help of random function. We'll discuss later. And then modulo किससे करेंगे? The number of players. Okay, when suppose the number of players is 12, we know that this value, when we divide or module by this value, the result value is always or in between the 1 to 12. Okay, suppose when we divide this long number modulo to 12, so the value is 4. So we can say that the fourth index, the address that placed at 4 index in player state variable is the winner. Clear? How we select a random winner? We will discuss how we create this number. We will discuss that how we create the 256-bit number so that we can divide it with the number of players. Okay, and then find the winner. Clear? Up to this, everybody clear? So back to the remix. So firstly here we define a function that creates a random number. So function, the function name is random, and in this function we just retrieve or returns the value of that random view returns, and it must be in int form. Here, so here we use uint 256. Here we use uint 256 hiccup. Okay, this function. This is a data type of this function. This is inbuilt function that changes the value you have mentioned in this in the argument list of that function, that particular function into 256. This is a type of SHA-256 function. That means it created a hash. Okay, so random hash number create करेगा वो. उसके बाद हम उस नंबर को नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर से डिवाइड करने के बाद जो हमारे पास एक सेलेक्ट रैंडम इंडेक्स नंबर आएगा, हम उस रैंडम इंडेक्स पे जो एड्रेस होगा उसको हम विनर डिक्लेयर करेंगे. गॉट इट? So here we add. So here we add, suppose this is the inbuilt functions. We have already discussed in the last lectures that block.difficulty. Okay, so we add also block.number so that we just find the random number, or we can say that block.timestamp. Clear? Or we just say that players.length. Clear? From this we can find the random number. Clear? In front of this value we should write return so that we just view this return value. Clear this function? It just works like a SHA-256. It is a cryptographic function that just changes those values which are written or which are present in this argument list to convert it into uint 256-bit numbers. Clear? It is a random value. So when we deploy this smart contract on this address, here is a random. Okay, here is a manager. When we send some lotteries from, first one is this 10 ethers. Send lottery players, and second one is 20 ethers. Suppose 2 players here, and send lottery. The total balance is, so it cannot be, it should be a manager. So get balance is this. Okay, the manager is this. How many players? The first player is this. At 0 index, the player is this. Okay, when we click on random, So you can see that this is a random number. Okay, these all the inbuilt functions. Block dot difficulty, that defines the difficulty of that particular block. Block dot number, that defines the block number of that particular transaction. Block timestamp is the timestamp. Players dot length means the length of that particular length of those players who places a lottery. So here players dot length is 2. Here we just only know this. So by adding or by using these functions in the Keccak 256, it creates a random number. This. Everybody clears this? So now we define the function selection of winner. So winner. Okay, so public. What we defined here? The winner is only selected by the manager. So the first one is requirement. Message dot sender is equal to manager. Must statement. Okay. The next one is, so we just define some variable that stores the value of random function. Okay. R is a variable that stores the value of this random function that returns this much amount of this value. Clear? Okay, then the first defines address, that is lottery winner. Okay, this now how we define this? uint. In this we use modulo function. So here we use the value of random function is stored in R. So R, okay, module by players dot length. So what is here? Here is players. Clear? At this point, clears how we define this. Okay, then हमने लॉटरी विनर दिया है तो हम यहाँ पे लॉटरी की स्पेलिंग गलत है. So here we define lottery. Lottery winner is equal to, हमने लॉटरी विनर का डाटा टाइप दिया एड्रेस, तो हमें वो एड्रेस में ही मेंशन करना पड़ेगा प्लेयर्स में वो इंडेक्स भर जाएगा जो भी यहाँ इंडेक्स नहीं आई है, जो भी आई की वैल्यू होगी वो प्लेयर्स ऑफ आई में चली जाएगी. प्लेयर्स ऑफ आई में उस इंडेक्स पे जो एड्रेस होगा वो लॉटरी अंडरस्कोर विनर में स्टोर हो जाएगा और देन वी रिटर्न दिस लॉटरी विनर. So here we can say that returns address. So everybody clears to this point of smart contract key how we select a winner. Clear? So now we run this smart contract. And this account, firstly deploy this smart contract. Deployed successfully. These are these functions. And who is the manager? Manager is this. And now this account send 10 amount of ethers, send lottery, and this amount send 20 amount of ethers, send lottery, successfully mined. This much account is sent. 30 amount of ethers. Send lottery. We have 3 players, so we can check the balance of that lottery. So how? Firstly, we go back to the manager account, then click on get balance. So this much amount of balance we have. Clear? And then, so we can check that at 2 index, which player? This player. At 1 index, this address is present. Okay, so we find a random number. So this is the random number. Clear? Now we select the winner. The winner function is only run by the manager. If you run by some other account like this, click on winner, here is error occurs. Okay, so we just go back to the manager account and then click on winner. So this, you see that this is the winner and the whole amount transfers to that particular account. How we transfers? We just do now. अब तक सबको समझ में आ गया कि कैसे हमने ये फंक्शन यूज किया. फर्स्टली सेंड लॉटरी, देन गेट बैलेंस एंड देन क्रिएट अ रैंडम नंबर एंड देन चूज अ रैंडम selection of winner. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we transfer this balance to this particular account. How we transfer? In a selection, winner selection function, we just modify some values. Okay, so here we return just nothing. Returns okay, here we use fin lottery dot transfer address this dot balance. What this function does, we run this function only by manager, and manager has this much amount of balance, and we transfer this much amount of balance to lottery winner address. Okay, because lottery winner is a address data type. Clear? So now run this smart contract. So run on this, deploy successfully. Click on this, the who is the manager, same one. Okay, now we send some lotteries. This is 10 ethers, send lottery, clear. And send 30 ethers, send lottery. Okay, so here we are using this 147 account, CA3 account and 0 this account. So we see the change in these 3 accounts after the selection of winner. So now we 40 send lottery. So we have 3 players. Okay, the firstly we check the get balance. The balance is this. So then create random and then selection of winner. This is run successfully. So we just, yeah, this account, you can see that this account has this much amount, 167. That means this account is the winner because all the balance transfer from manager account manager account to this account. Clear? Okay, we use these three accounts 0A0, CA3 in this. When we deploy the last time smart contract, we use these three accounts. The first one is the first one with 147, the second is CA3 and 0A0. Okay, then we select the random winner. Then this address is a winner and get the total balance. Clear? Everybody clears this smart contract? How we place a lottery, then how we create a random number, then how we select a winner. Clear the smart contract to all? Okay. Now after that, if you reset this lottery system and starts again. So here we just describe one more line. Players is equal to new address, this one and this. Here is zero value. The zero refers to that it is a dynamic size array. Players is a dynamic size array. If zero is present here, that means dynamic array whose size is zero. If you present here 3, that means the 3 elements are already present. That means 3 spaces have already present in this particular dynamic size array. Clear? So we use 3. So here what is the is this. Okay, there is some space. Okay. So now, again deploy this smart contract. Okay, so here we select this to send 10 ethers, send lottery. So the second one is 20 ethers, send lottery. Okay, now we have 2 players. Okay, check the get balance. Okay, go back to the manager account and then get balance. Okay, manager, who is a manager, and create a random number and then winner. Okay, who will get this amount? This account get the total balance. Clear? So how we made a smart contract which is based on lottery system. So if anyone has some doubt in this, you can ask me freely. This is today's session. In today's session, we'll discuss the lottery system. Anyone have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, my contract isn't deploying. I don't know why.
My contract is
My contract isn't deploying. ये डिप्लोय नहीं हो पा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, कोई एरर भी नहीं है मैम.
तो आप मुझे शेयर स्क्रीन करके एक बार दिखा दो.
मैम मैं
You have
लेक्चर
access
मोबाइल
to share your screen. You have access to
मैं
share your screen. I think
मोबाइल
साक्षी
पे
मैम.
लेक्चर लगा,
अच्छा, मोबाइल पर लेक्चर लगा रहे हो.
बट मैं आपको कैमरे से शो कर सकता हूँ मैम स्क्रीन.
हाँ, तो फिर आप मुझे दिखा दो तो मैं एरर देख सकती हूँ ना कि वो क्या, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
ओके.
हम्म.
Here ma'am, I have shared my screen.
Yeah, it is very small.
Wait a minute ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing this error when I try to deploy it. It is basically
Yash,
getting
I'm
deployed.
not. Yash, I'm not seeing your screen.
Okay, wait a minute ma'am. Now,
No,
I have
no,
shared my
it's.
screen. I have shared.
You have shared your screen, but it is just a small box. It is shown in my small box, very small box.
Ma'am, I don't know why.
So you just mail me the smart contract and your error and what you want. Ki I will answer you. So you just mail me.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. I'll send my email ID.
Ma'am, but I have exactly copied your smart, but still isn't.
From where you copied this smart contract?
I have typed it myself.
Okay.
Exactly. Still,
साक्षी मैम, क्या
it isn't getting
इसको
deployed.
एक मिनट यश. साक्षी मैम, क्या आप इस यश को मतलब एक्सेस दे सकते हो कि वो अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर सके?
यस मैम, यश के पास एक्सेस है.
मैम वो मुझे नहीं दिख रही है स्क्रीन, या तो मेरे में कुछ.
मैं एक बार दोबारा उसे प्रेजेंटर बना देती हूँ, बट
हाँ,
ऑलरेडी
यस.
सबके पास एक्सेस है.
ठीक है मैम, आप उसे प्रेजेंटर बना दो तो फिर वो शेयर स्क्रीन कर सकता है.
ठीक है मैम, मैं बना देती हूँ. Yes, you are the presenter now. You can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is very small. You are just sharing your screen in your camera, in front of your camera, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
In this way, I cannot find your doubt. So what's your question? What you want? आप वो पूछ लो,
मैम
क्या पता मैं ऐसे ही बता दूं विदाउट स्क्रीन।
मेरा 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 कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्क नहीं कर पा रहा, डिप्लॉय नहीं हो पा रहा, बेसिक सा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डिप्लॉय हो रहा मेरा, पता नहीं क्यों। शायद
बेसिक सा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
मैं वर्जन
क्या
शायद
उस
अलग यूज।
नहीं, 1 मिनट, आप मेरी एक बार सुनो। आप जब डिप्लॉय कर रहे हो तो आपकी जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो विंडो आती है, मेरे जैसे
यस
शेयर
मैम,
में
यस
जब मैं
मैम,
शेयर करती हूँ तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो रिमिक्स की विंडो होती है उस पे कहीं
यस मैम,
रेड में कुछ शो हो रहा है।
यस मैम, जैसे
तो
इस
रेड
वाले।
में शो हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स इट शो सम एरर। ओके।
यस
ओके, व्हेन यू सी योर स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो उस लाइन पे भी येलो येलो या समथिंग ट्रायंगल में कुछ शो हो रहा होगा। वो किस लाइन में
यस
शो हो
मैम,
रहा है, आप वो बता
नंबर
सकते हैं?
नंबर 25।
25 में। तो वो
यस,
लाइन क्या है, या तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो
वो मैम वही
जिस
है
लाइन पे।
फंक्शन यू इंट, जिसपे हमने फंक्शन रैंडम वाला डिक्लेयर किया, फंक्शन यू
अच्छा
इंट
तो
250।
हाँ, तो पता है क्या चीज है, वो जो रैंडम वाला आपने फंक्शन डिक्लेयर किया ना कि काक 256, उसमें वो बोल रहा होगा कि आप जब उस पे जा रहे हो, आप जब उस एरर पे जाओगे, ठीक है।
मैम इस पे लिखा रहा है एक्सपेक्टेड बट गॉट रिटर्न फंक्शन रैंडम पब्लिक रिटर्न यू इंट 256, जो
हाँ,
एरर
तो उस पे
एरर।
कुछ उस एरर की लाइन में कुछ एबीआई डॉट एनकोड समथिंग लिखा आ रहा है।
नो मैम, इस पे लिखा रहा है पार्सर एरर।
पार्सर एरर तो बेसिकली समथिंग कुछ वैसे ही कुछ आपका वो एरर है जो आपने पास करना है, मतलब पास करना है कुछ ब्रैकेट का कुछ समथिंग, ये एरर है।
मैम ब्रैकेट सारी मेरी करेक्ट है।
आप ऐसे करो, आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मुझे उसमें आप ईमेल पे सेंड कर दो, देन आई विल गेट बैक टू यू। ओके।
ओके मैम।
Any other who have some issue or some problem or some doubt regarding this smart contract? So, okay, today's session is only up to that. So, okay, Sakshi ma'am, अगर आप पूछ लिया, अगर किसी को डाउट है तो वो डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज विल एंड दिस सेशन।
Anyone else having any doubt? So I think there are no doubts. Then we can wind up the session now.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you,
okay.
Shubhani ma'am, and thank
Okay,
you
okay.
everyone. Attendance link has been shared in the chat window. It will be enabled for another 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we'll disable that link.